Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Your good friend Walter here at the workbench. So, I'm playing in some of that quarter curly red oak. Real nasty stuff. Grain goes every which way. And it's tough on your plane blades. Plus, this back side of the board was real dirty. But as you can see, I mean, it's real pretty wood. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So, some of you who follow me on Facebook will know that I've been looking around for high-speed steel plane blades. Why high-speed steel? Well, we use them in power planers, and they hold their edge, and I say that with quotations, longer than a carbon steel blade. So, I contacted a lot of different companies, even my good friend Ron Hawk, who is our premier bladesmith in America. And he doesn't do anything with high-speed steel. So, someone recommended I contact KUNZ, K-U-N-Z, in Germany. So I did. And they have a distributor here in the United States called Peck Tools. Some of you may already be buying tools from them. So Peck Tool sent me over a blade to test. And if you want to find them on the internet, they're pecktool.com. So I told KUNZ that, well, I didn't tell them. I suggested to KUNZ that I'm looking for a blade that will last longer, and I would demonstrate it for them here in America. So they contacted Peck and told them to send me one over. So I'm going to put this through its paces. It took me a little while to flatten the back, long story, but it was a typical blade that had a concavity. It was hollow in the back. So that, flattening it, plus the ruler trick, plus resharpening the bevel to 25 degrees the way I like it, and then honing an edge on it. Now, it took an edge pretty nice. I didn't strop it. I only took it to 1,000 grit. That's pretty much what I do when I'm roughing. I just take it and hone and go. So I'm going to put it through its paces. As of right now, as you can see, we've made some shavings. And I don't notice any real difference. Like over here, the wood really behaves nicely. It cuts nice. There's not a lot of tear out. So it's behaving like any other plane blade would. And as we move across, this wood gets nasty and dirty. But I don't feel at this point, after all the planing I've done today, that it's any more dull than the standard blade that came with the plane after a short period of planing. So, I don't know. Seems to be working. I will get back to you on that. So that's it for today. I just wanted to let you know it's a KUNZ blade. They call it their special steel, Spezialstahl. And they paint them orange to differentiate them between the regular steel. Hope that helped somebody. Hope you found it useful, helpful, entertaining. Give it the old thumbs up, and most of all, head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.